Understanding the phrase, whining about life, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, whining about life. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its usage, and some examples to clarify it further. The phrase, whining about life, refers to the act of complaining in a petty or trivial manner about one's life circumstances. Whining itself means to grumble or moan in a somewhat childish or annoying way. So, when someone is whining about life, they are often perceived as being overly negative or making a big deal out of small problems. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is crucial. It's typically used in informal settings and can be seen as slightly negative or critical. For example, if a friend is constantly complaining about minor issues, you might say they are whining about life. It's important to use this phrase carefully, as it can come across as unsympathetic or dismissive of someone's feelings. 1. John is always whining about life, like how he hates the weather or the traffic. 2. After listening to her friend whine about life for an hour, Maria suggested some positive ways to look at the situation. 3. I understand you're upset, but there's no point in whining about life. Let's try to find a solution. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, whining about life, and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, it's a phrase that captures a certain attitude towards life's challenges, often used in a critical way. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.